Welcome back to Cars Culture Chronicles, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today we're diving deep into one of the most highly anticipated vehicles of our time, the 2025 Tesla Cybertruck. Love it or hate it, the Cybertruck is unlike anything else on the road. With its futuristic design, cutting-edge technology, and impressive performance, Tesla is redefining what a pickup truck can be. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know, from its bold exterior to its powerful electric drivetrain, luxurious yet minimalist interior, top-tier safety features, and of course, pricing. So buckle up and let's get started. The Cybertruck looks like it was ripped straight out of a sci-fi movie. Its sharp, angular design and stainless steel exoskeleton make it one of the most distinctive vehicles on the road. The unpainted body is made from Tesla's ultra-hard 30X cold-rolled stainless steel, which not only gives it a unique appearance, but also enhances durability and resistance to dents and corrosion. The armored glass windows have been reinforced for extra strength, though Tesla had some infamous mishaps in past demonstrations. The truck's LED light bar across the front gives it a futuristic look, while its massive 35-inch all-terrain tires make it clear that this machine is built for both on-road and off-road dominance. The retractable tonneau cover provides security for cargo, and the adaptive air suspension ensures versatility, whether you're driving in the city or tackling rugged terrain. Tesla offers multiple variants of the Cybertruck, including single-motor, dual-motor, and tri-motor configurations. The top-tier tri-motor version, known as the Cyberbeast, boasts jaw-dropping acceleration, going from 0 to 60 mph in just under 2.6 seconds. With over 800 horsepower and all-wheel drive, this truck isn't just tough, it's a high-performance beast. The range varies depending on the model, with the top version achieving over 500 miles on a single charge. Thanks to Tesla's advanced battery technology, charging speeds are faster than ever, with access to the ever-expanding supercharger network. The Cybertruck also features rear-wheel steering, making tight turns and maneuvering surprisingly easy for such a large vehicle. And when it comes to towing, the Cybertruck can haul up to 400 pounds, making it a serious contender in the truck market. Interior. Step inside and you're greeted by a minimalist yet high-tech cabin. The interior follows Tesla's signature design philosophy with a massive 18.5-inch touchscreen, serving as the command center for nearly all vehicle functions. The yoke steel steering wheel remains a controversial feature, but a standard round steering wheel option is available. The spacious interior offers seating for up to 6 passengers, with premium vegan leather seats and an expansive glass roof adding to the open feel. There's also ample storage space, including a front trunk, underbed storage, and a hidden compartment behind the second-row seats. The Cybertruck's infotainment system is powered by Tesla's latest software, providing seamless connectivity, advanced navigation, and an immersive audio experience. Safety features. Tesla has always prioritized safety, and the Cybertruck is no exception. The ultra-rigid exoskeleton provides exceptional crash protection, while Tesla's advanced driver assistance system, Autopilot, comes standard. Features like automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control enhance safety on the road. The truck also includes Tesla Vision, an AI-powered camera system that eliminates the need for traditional side mirrors while improving driver awareness. With its low center of gravity and strong structural integrity, the Cybertruck is built to withstand extreme conditions while keeping occupants safe. Prices. Tesla has announced competitive pricing for the Cybertruck, making it an attractive option for both truck enthusiasts and EV adopters. The base single-motor variant starts at around $60,990, offering a solid entry-level option for those looking to transition to an electric truck. The dual-motor version with more power and range is priced at approximately $79,990, while the high-performance tri-motor Cyberbeast model pushes the price tag beyond $99,990. With government incentives and Tesla's full self-driving package as an optional add-on, the final price can vary depending on configuration and upgrades. Outro. The 2025 Tesla Cybertruck is a game-changer in the automotive industry, blending futuristic design with groundbreaking performance, cutting-edge technology, and impressive utility. Whether you see it as a bold leap forward or an unconventional experiment, there's no denying that it pushes the boundaries of what a truck can be. What are your thoughts on the Cybertruck? Would you drive one, or is it too radical for your taste? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth car reviews. Thanks for watching Car Culture Chronicles. We'll see you in the next one.